Hi guys, this is Jessica and you are on the stars. Today I am going to describe the biography of Chase Hudson. Who is Chase Hudson? Chase Hudson is an American social media influencer and TikTok sensation who has amassed over 12 million followers to his Lil Huddy TikTok account. Best known for his sense of humor, his comical videos and the nicely done dance videos usually get millions of views on the app. That proves why Business Insider named Chase one of the biggest breakout creators on TikTok in 2019. Hudson's claim to fame began in 2018 thanks to TikTok. However, he first started out with YouTube in May 2018, where he currently has 650,000 loyal subscribers. Chase Hudson, who is only 17 years old, has achieved a lot of success and joined the LA collaborative TikTok group, The Hype House, in 2019, along with fellow TikTokers Charli D'Amelio, Alex Warren, Addison Rae, and Dixie D'Amelio. The group has recently signed a lucrative deal with WME for digital fashion modeling, music, touring, films, and more. Let's know about his personal life. Chase Hudson was born on the 15th of May 2002 in Stockton, California, United States of America. He is currently 17 years old. Birth name Chase Hudson. Nickname Lil Huddy. Profession TikToker, YouTuber, social media influencer. Years active from 2018 till now. Date of birth May 15, 2002. Age 17 years old. Place of birth Stockton, California, US. Nationality American. Sun sign Taurus. Ethnicity American. Residence Lodi, California, US. Let's know about his family and education. Chase Hudson is the son of Cole Hudson, a school teacher, and Tamara Hudson. He has two sisters, Marlena and Carissa. Chase is closely bonded with his parents as the true love and affection that he shares with his family is clearly evident in his posts and videos. He grew up alongside his sisters in Stockton, California, and he also has a cousin named Eliza Leonard. According to him, he attended schools in the neighborhood of Stockton and Lodi. Let's know about his love life. Chase's newly found fame on TikTok is not only because of the engaging and entertaining videos he posts, but also his charming personality. He rose to fame on the TikTok app in late 2018 and has gained millions of followers since then. Because of his stardom status, fans are always curious to know who is he dating. He mostly leaves fans clueless as he often collaborates with fellow girl TikTokers. Chase dated Charli D'Amelio, another big name on the app, who has over 24 million TikTok followers from 2019 to 2020. They two became close in late 2019 and can often be seen hanging out together and sharing adorable pictures of them being together on each other's Instagram page. The couple announced their split on their respective Instagram in April 2020. Chase Hudson had previously dated Cynthia Parker, a fellow TikToker and social media star from early 2019 to July 2019. They got a lot of attention during their relationship times and they announced in July 2019 that they are no longer in a relationship. Let's know about his physical statistics. Height 5 feet 11 inch, 181 centimeter, 1.81 meter. Weight 70 kg, 155 pounds. Body build athletic. Eye color blue. Hair color dark brown. Sexuality straight. Shoe size 11 US. Distinctive features lean physique, freckled face. Let's know about his professional statistics. Chase Hudson joined the video uploading platform in early 2018 while he is still in high school. He uploaded his first video titled Hume Lake Week 5 Vlog July 8-14 in September of that year that has currently garnered over 120,000 views. Unlike other YouTubers, Chase is not so regular when it comes to uploading. However, he has attracted an audience of 652,000 subscribers as of February 2020. His channel includes haul, challenges and other lifestyle-related content. Not long after that, he jumped on the TikTok bandwagon and his lip sync videos would eventually go on to earn tens of millions of views and likes. He has accrued over 12 million fans on the short video sharing app. Hudson has posted lip sync to the tunes of popular musicians like Justin Bieber and Pitbull. Chase, like many social influencers, has attracted the attention of reputed brands who want to connect with her audience. He has over 4.4 million Instagram followers as of February 2020, and his popularity on other social media platforms as well leads to lucrative deals and collaborations. Hudson, along with fellow TikToker Thomas Petro, founded the Los Angeles-based Hype House, a collaborative group composed of some of the most popular creators on TikTok such as Charli D'Amelio, Dixie D'Amelio, Addison Rae, Tony Lopez, Nick Austin, Daisy Key, Alex Warren, and many others. Let's know about his NATO. According to several sources, Chase Hudson's net worth as of 2020 is estimated to be around $3 million. Let's know about his favorite things. Food, lasagna, pancake. Movie, Grown Up, The Little Rascals. Restaurant, Gail's Restaurant in Pasadena, California. Restaurant chain, Olive Garden. Cake flavor, chocolate cheesecake, color light purple, toy Legos, pet dogs, footwear brands Converse. Let's know about his facts. His favorite sports car brand is McLaren. Chase was a member of the 2019 Lights Out Summer Tour, a countrywide co-headlining concert tour. He went on tour with popular social media personalities such as Peyton Mormeyer, Anthony Reeves, Naomi Bucks, Zaden Hoster, Sam Harley, Cynthia Parker, Jackson Field, Chase Cade, Griffin Johnson, Mitch Litt, Kevin Perry, Christopher Romero, Sebastian Toppiti, Tyson McCord, Connor Shane, Receive, Louis Castillo, Brooke Blatch and Kathleen McFadden. In January 2020, Chase collab group Hive House has signed with WME for fashion, modeling, music, touring, digital film and television and licensing. He has his own merchandise line where he sells t-shirts, hoodies and different accessories. Elite Human is his favorite social media influencer. He is a huge fan of the K-pop group BTS.
So guys, many thanks for being with us. Do comments and let us know if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get my next video. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.